Good morning, guys. I know it's been a while. I'm sorry. Today's my first official race. It is the Al Gordon 4miler. It's gonna be my third time doing this race. As you can see, I've been sick. I haven't got a chance to train. I'll be honest with you. I barely trained for this race. Maybe one run in between 2 weeks. I've been sick. You know, it's rough. But I'm not gonna stop. You don't get your money. You don't get no money back. If you do, I didn't put in for it. So I'm still gonna do this race. Sick as a dog, but it is what it is, guys. 4 miles, 4 easy miles. It's not the end of the world. I'm gonna do it. My time might not be great, but I'm still gonna do it. It is what it is. This is what I love to do. This is the thing that I love. Also, I'm in the New York City Marathon 2019. But I'll show you guys after the race, and I'll see you guys at the course. Check that out, guys. Walking to the Al Gordon start line. Should be coming up soon. I hope. About to get lost. What's going on, guys? The race is finished. I am done as of my first race of the year. Also, I want to let you guys, I was sick. It's weird. Like, I was pushing myself for no reason. I don't even know why. But check this out, guys. For my Saturday run, I actually broke a record. I think I ran my fastest 4-miler, which I'm not too sure if I did, but I have to double check. But check these numbers out. And I'm sick. I feel like crap right now. But check these numbers out. How did I usually get 10:45 a mile. I was doing 10:06 a mile. Cruising. Onto the last maybe half a mile, quarter mile. I had a cough, and that's when I lost I lost my wind for a second, but then I got it back up, and then I continue on my stride. But that's crazy. Like, I actually did 10:06 a mile. That might be my fastest mile, but I'm not too sure about it. But I'll have to double check on that. But yeah, my first race. And oh yeah, I forgot. Look, I forgot to show you guys this too. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. But yeah, here's my surprise. I forgot to put it up on the video. I've been sick, and I've been caught up. You know, I've been doing. Hold on, I'll tell you right now. Where is it? Sorry for the runny nose, but yeah, I got a big surprise for you guys, and I'm actually, remember I told you, I'm officially in the New York City Marathon. This will be my first one. If it loads up, I want to show you guys. Okay, check this guys out. No, that's not it. Jesus Christ. Alright, what the? I'll do it this way. Okay. Check it out, guys. This is the email I got, telling me that I'm in the New York City Marathon. I don't know if you can see it, but when I get home, hopefully I'll take a picture of it or something, and you can see. But that's for the New York City Marathon, where I'll be doing on November 3rd. So I'll be seeing you guys out there. Whoever want to come, support, watch it on TV. You never know. I'm thinking about coming in a Scooby-Doo outfit. Maybe they might put me on TV. So, and it's going to be cold. So I probably would put that Scooby-Doo outfit, just for the fun of it. But anyways, guys, let me head out. I'm going to head back home, and I'll see you guys next time I'll start training again, most likely next week when I start feeling a little better. Excuse me. Yeah, next week I'll start training again when I start feeling a little better. I feel like crap still, as you can see. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. And also I got the Brooklyn and Queens runs coming up. The Brooklyn half marathon and the Queens 10K as of now. Let's see what else race I'll throw in between. But until then, I'll see you guys next time. Stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the like. I'll greatly appreciate it. And like I tell you guys, if you need help, let me know. You can always inbox, send me a message, drop a comment. Let me know. If you want to help me out on things I'm doing wrong, feel free. Both ways. No hard feelings. You have to tell everybody, you know, you gotta let them know how to help each other out. But until then, I'll see you guys next time, and deuces.